Now, welcome back to the 12th tutorial of learning how to code for Pidgin English. For inside this tutorial, we're going to talk about options. So options, they make it possible to choose one answer for inside list of answers. And they always dey inside select tag. So to do our options now, make I first put H3 here. I go say select the right option. Yeah, as I don talk say select the right option now, make I create a paragraph tag here. Say which of this is not a state in Nigeria? Now, this one na the question. So I wan come create options now. So I wan come create options now to answer that question. So and I explain say option tag dey always dey inside select tag. So I go just do select. Inside my select tag now, I go create option tag. The first option wey go dey inside this one now go be select. The first option wey dey inside this select tag now, na im go be the option wey go first display. You go see wetin I mean now. Make I just fill in these options. So the second option wey we go get go be the answers wey we want the person wey dey answer this question to choose from. So I go do another option. I go just copy this one, then paste am couple of times. So I go change this one to, so I go just change this one to Birmingham. I go change this one to Kano. I go change this one to State. This one to Lagos State. This one to Enugu State, and this one to Ekiti State. So as I don represent all this information as e dey like this, I go come save this file, reload our website, and you go fit choose only one option here. So which of this is not a state in Nigeria? Definitely Birmingham. I go just choose Birmingham here. Na so e go be for inside this tutorial as we don discuss about options. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey discuss about date and number type.